I'm Xiaochen, and I'm a PhD student working with Dan Snow. So today I'm going to show my research on controlling nitrate leaching in subsoil with carbon injection. So here's my introduction. So as we know, nitrate is the most common contaminant, and due to intensive agricultural activity in Nebraska, the nitrate concentration in groundwater have increased during past decades. And the nitrate is very mobile, it's soluble, it can easily reach to a groundwater table and cause a lot of public health issue. And based on other studies, wood chips denitrifying bioreactors can reduce nitrate leaching by providing carbon sources and habitat for denitrifying microbes. That means we can take advantage of denitrification process to reduce nitrate leaching. So this method is recently developed, but there is not many studies on how to use this method on large-scale cropland. So there are two objectives. So the first one is to find which carbon source is best for carbon injection. And the second one is we need to test this method on large-scale cropland. For the first part, we need to do some in-lab bench test. So here is the bench test setup. So in a 10 centimeter diameter tube, we made a carbon soil layered soil column. And we have 4 replicates with different carbon layer thicknesses. And also we have another bench test set up. So the second bench test, we will test different carbon sources. So we have 3 carbon sources, the ash, cinder, and wood shavings. And also we have 1 control. And also we will wash all the soil columns with artificial groundwater. So the artificial groundwater is the handmade groundwater. It can contain everything you can find in true groundwater. And then we will add nitrate pulse with the bromide tracer. And then we will collect all the leachate from the soil columns and do the chemical analysis. So here I analyze the ions, pH, and dissolved gases. And here is the brief results of our bench test. So the bench test results show a significant reduction in nitrate leaching. And also the carbon layer thicknesses didn't show any effect on the nitrate removal efficiency. And also there is only a little difference among 3 carbon sources. That means we can choose the cheapest carbon source for carbon injection. And here is based on the bench test results, we established the field experiment. So here we picked 2 research sites in Creighton, Nebraska. So one is Condor and the other one is Camter site, and both sites grown corn. And at each research site, we have 3 treatment and 3 control plots. And for the carbon source, we chose mixed cinder with chips because it's pretty easy access and pretty cheap. And the application depth is 14 inches. And after the carbon injection, I took monthly sampling, and I took soil corns, corn waters, and soil gases. And after harvest, I need to estimate the yield because we need to make sure this method has no side effect on the crop yield. And here is my preliminary result. I still need some time to finish the whole project, but our preliminary results show a reduction in leached nitrate and ammonia beneath. And also there is no difference in yield between control and treatment clouds. And the future work, I need to correlate with the irrigation data and fertilizer data to estimate the nitrate removal efficiency. And also I need to optimize our method for our future demonstration. And also I will build Hydros 1D and root zone water quality samples, the models to make prediction on our future work, because based on our result, we can build a solid model to predict if our method or how our method work on other type of cropland. And I would say thank you to the landowner, because they allowed us to do the field experiment. And I would say thank you to the NET. They funded us, and also the Water for Food Global Institute. I was funded by this institute. And also I need to say thank you to my advisor, Dan Snow. He helped me a lot. So, any questions?